Dear students, this is Professor Anindya Das from Achievers. In this video, I will be discussing about the benefits of chemistry minor at Achievers. Okay, so you can see the very first point is learning from the experts. Now, usually, what happens is when it is chemistry, the subject is chemistry, then you have got three different aspects: inorganic chemistry, organic chemistry, physical chemistry. And these three different aspects should be ideally taught by three different teachers. Those are experts in those fields. But usually what happens when a student goes for chemistry minor tuition, then a single teacher deals with the entire syllabus. And when a single teacher deals with the entire syllabus, then what happens is the teacher cannot emphasize equally on all the three aspects of chemistry. Either he or she emphasizes on organic or inorganic or physical, but cannot give equal vintage to all the three subjects. Okay. Why does this happen? Because that particular teacher may either be specialized in physical chemistry, or a specialized in organic chemistry, or a specialized in inorganic chemistry, and naturally the teacher will be inclined to his specialization, and thereby he will eventually neglect the other two parts of chemistry. Those are also very important. Okay. So here at Achievers, as we work as a team, we have got three different teachers. And inorganic chemistry will be taught by inorganic specialized teacher. Physical chemistry will be taught by the expert in physical chemistry, and organic chemistry will be taught by the expert in organic chemistry. Okay. Next, the facility of smart classes. This is very important. You see, what happens is a single teacher usually will call you once a week for offline classes, provided he or she teaches in brick mortar model. But here at Achievers, we are technologically very much equipped. We do have smart classroom. We do have our own app. Thereby, the students can have the flexibility of offline, online, and recorded classes as per their convenience. Now, what happens is a student who is having chemistry as his or her minor will naturally not emphasize on chemistry as much as his or her major subject. Naturally, there will be a time constraint for chemistry minor or any other minor. And so, eventually, when you proceed through the semester, when the load of syllabus piles up in major, then what happens is you will be lagging behind in the minor subject, as you will be finding very difficult to attend the weekly classes. But here at Achievers, you can study at the comfort of your home, even without attending any live class, because all the recorded videos will be available to you throughout the entire semester through our app. Okay. Next, you have got prompt completion of syllabus. As I have already told you that, here at Achievers, we have got three different teachers. So, you'll have 3 classes a week. 3 classes a week obviously accelerates the study process and the learning process, and eventually ensures prompt completion of the syllabus. Okay. So, not only our objective is to escalate the syllabus, also what we do here, we give equal importance or weightage to all the three different aspects of chemistry. So, there will be an uniform coverage of syllabus. It is not like at first we will be covering the entire inorganic chemistry, then we will be moving on to organic chemistry, then we will be moving on to physical chemistry. In that way, the one which will be taught at the end of the semester will eventually get neglected, and we will have a lot of questions coming from there. But here at Achievers, what we will be doing? We will be covering all the subjects uniformly. That is what is another advantage. We do have an exam-oriented approach. Usually what happens is a single teacher is usually not abided by a strict study planner. And as he or she is not abided by a strict study planner, so he or she will not take exams at regular intervals. He or she may take exam erratically, but that makes no sense unless and until you take exams at regular intervals and analyze the paper properly and communicate with the students what are the flaws, what are the shortcomings. Then the learning process or your preparation is absolutely incomplete. On the contrary, here at Achievers we have the concepts of ME. What ME is all about? ME is month-end examination. So at the end of the month, the last day of the month, last class day of the month, you will be having an exam. And this exam is taken in a cumulative approach. I mean to say, the topic taught in October will be there in your ME of October, but that's not all. You will also have the topic taught in September, topic taught in August, cumulated together into the syllabus of ME of October. Okay, so you will have a cumulative approach. And you have got ET. ET is the end term exam where you will be having exact university replica question papers at the end of the semester, and you will get at least 3 end term examinations. So, you will be acquainted with the university pattern of question paper, and thereby that will eventually help you to acclimatize yourself in the university, in the examination hall. Okay. Now, you have got comprehensive study materials. Study materials are so important. Why? Because in minor subjects, you will not find much time to go through reference books. It is literally impossible for you to go through the books, the reference books, and then prepare the note yourself. That is not possible. And usually what single tuition teachers do, they will give you dictation. And while taking dictation, you will miss something. You may miss something. You may miss a class. You may be ill, you may miss a class. Then your class note becomes incomplete. So in that case, you will not have a comprehensive study material with yourself. And that is so important. Without a comprehensive study material, it is not possible for you to prepare for the exam. So you will be having comprehensive study material. I have just given 3 examples over here. One for inorganic chemistry, I think chemical periodicity. Comprehensive study material on chemical periodicity for chemistry minor. A comprehensive study material for physical properties in organic chemistry for chemistry minor. a comprehensive study material on chemical kinetics for physical chemistry in chemistry minor. Not only that, you have complete PYQ solutions. That is so important because you know that university repeats the questions they have given in previous years. So these questions are so important. And you need to have a set of solutions for that, so that you can prepare yourself, because these questions are going to come in your exam. So PYQ solutions are also very important, and we provide the PYQ solutions, previous year question solutions. Okay. So obviously, studying chemistry minor at achievers will give you an edge over the others. So thank you, students, and bye bye for now.